Stop for a second and take a deep breath. Imagine you are stuck in the woods and the night is starting to creep up on you. The feeling of fear and exposure gets the better of you, and before you know it, you are completely lost and unable to find a way out. Is this similar to the way you are feeling about your career? If yes, then that's totally understandable, because navigating today's complex job market is not an easy task. If no, then let's see if you are able to answer all of the following questions. What does your ideal career vision look like? How can you practically start walking the career path that is authentic to you? At this point, you might have noticed that you are not as far in your career as you thought, and that there is still too much uncertainty. We are here to help you get out of the woods and get a clear view of your path. We developed a step-by-step process to help you figure out what your authentic career path looks like. Our workshops and coaching will guide you along with your growth. So do not wait around and take control of your future. We realize that there is so much potential within you. Now it's time for you to realize your opportunity with us. For more information, visit our website and follow us on Instagram. And we will see you soon.